supply all the food and cooking. And, is that right? All that?
Yes, sir. Bring as many people as you want.
And if anybody wants to bring anything, they're welcome to.
You can bring a side dish if you want, but we'll have food for 5 or 6 people. We usually get a pretty good crowd.
Okay.
And the
So,
bluegrass band.
Sounds like a lot of pops.
yeah. So I just need to know if everybody's in favor of doing something like that. Show of hands. That's great. Thank you. That's great. So we'll be asking people to actually do teaching and.
Right?
Yeah.
Would you throw in a car show on the game?
I'll bring my card. You bring yours. Yeah.
I'm good. We have
Okay, so that's not the end of the card. So anyway, thank you, everybody. We'll work on that. I'll talk to Ronnie. We'll figure out what we're gonna do. But it's gonna be all outside, and we got tents for everything. So we'll be covered from the sun. Be lots of food. So that's great. Thank you.
These are here, so.
What's 5:27?
That's the date, May 27th.
Oh, May 27th. Yeah, we'll let you know what time and all that.
And even if it rains, we'll move it in here.
Okay. Leah's not here at the library. I think everybody's aware of the library. We have videos and books. You take it out one month, you bring it back the following month. I think Doug has the library on the website now, is that right?
It is, yes.
It is, okay.
Not pictorially, at least the list is there.
Okay.
PDF is there with all listing all books.
Okay, good. So everything's on the website. And speaking of the website, does everybody have access to get into the website? Do they know how to get in, password? If you don't, and you're having issues, see Doug. Is everybody getting emails from me or from the rest of the group? Yeah? Cool. I did something right. Okay, I think that's enough for me. We're going to, oh yeah, thank you. I told you. Go ahead.
There's a couple of slabs of cherry that I brought in for outside. Anybody's welcome to them. It's big lots.
Thank you. So that's the library treasurer's report. Doug.
Okay, we started March with $1,880.11.